Are you stuck choosing between the Roborock Zeo One and the Zeo Lite? Both are all-in-one washer-dryer combos, but which one really fits your lifestyle? Today, we're breaking down the key differences so you can make the right choice for your home. Drying technology. Let's start with drying. The Zeo One comes with zero cycle drying. This tech absorbs moisture and converts it into steam, giving you faster, gentler, and more energy efficient drying. Perfect for delicate fabrics or when you're short on time. The Zeo Lite, on the other hand, uses standard drying. It works well but is slightly slower and consumes more energy. So if efficiency and fabric care matter, the Zeo One has a clear edge. Smart features. Next up, smart controls. The Zeo One is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to start cycles remotely, monitor progress, and get notifications right on your phone. The Zeo Lite sticks to manual knobs and buttons, reliable, yes, but missing that smart convenience. If you love controlling appliances from your phone, the Zeo One is the way to go. Capacity and space. When it comes to capacity, the Zeo One has a larger drum, ideal for families or anyone doing heavy loads. The Zeo Lite is more compact, making it perfect for apartments or small laundry spaces. So, space and usage frequency are key factors here. Maintenance. Finally, maintenance. The Zeo One has automatic self-cleaning, reducing lint buildup and saving you time and hassle. The Zeo Lite requires regular manual cleaning, which is manageable but something to keep in mind if you want a low maintenance option. So, which should you choose? If you want speed, smart features, and a bigger capacity, go for the Zeo One. If you need a compact, straightforward, budget-friendly option, the Zeo Lite fits the bill. Both are great machines. It just depends on what fits your home and lifestyle.